Tired of Blox fruits on your Huawei device looking more like a slideshow than a fun adventure? Let's fix that. First, close all background apps. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and hold to bring up the Recent Apps menu. Then swipe away each app to close them completely. This frees up valuable RAM for Blox fruits. Next, open your Huawei's Optimizer app, sometimes called Phone Manager. Tap on the cleanup option and let it clear any unnecessary cache files and temporary data. This can significantly improve performance. Now navigate to your phone settings, scroll down and tap on Battery. Then find and enable Performance Mode or Game Mode if your Huawei device has it. This will prioritize game performance over battery life. Back in the Settings menu, tap on Apps then Apps again. Find Blox fruits in the list and tap on it. Then tap on Storage and clear both the cache and data. Warning: clearing data will require you to relog into Blox fruits. Launch Blox fruits and go to the in-game settings. Reduce your graphics quality to the lowest setting. Disable shadows, lower the particle effects, and turn off any unnecessary visual enhancements. These simple tweaks can make a huge difference. Finally, try restarting your Huawei device. This can clear out any lingering processes that might be causing lag. And there you have it. Following these steps should drastically improve your Blox fruits experience on your Huawei device. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Blox fruits tips and tricks.